hello, Chick. I hope to be seeing you again later as we begin the broadcast.
I'm Chick Utley, and this is Babel Snur, and this is the DOA Morning News Instigation. Bab, did you get that coffee
I've been
yet?
trying to get these directions straight. I thought I did what they told me,
Try
but...
this can opener. Well, broadcasters, I hope you'll be with us for the next half-full hour of easy programming. We'll be here with news and up-to-date commentary on today's top billings. Plus, today, our half-shot eye will focus on Mr. Crosby in connection with his alleged act of colloquialism. And Bab will have his report on Freedom Day and the reaction abroad. Right, Bab?
Right, Chick. And of course, we'll be presenting our overview of the collapse of the world as we see it. But now, for those of you broadcasters who may be tuning in for the first or last time, we remind you that
everything we say is true. Very
and our
true.
attention was brought up short by a prime example of that this morning when Chick Utley's prediction that a major bounder by the British was ensuing came true. Chick?
That's right, Bab, and it's today's top story, too. Last night, in a robe which shocked the entire syllabalized world, Prime Minister of England, Quid Pound, announced that his country would annex Massachusetts. Now, don't get excited, folks, because the date has been set for October 31st. That's Halloween, and it's still several weeks away.
That's a relief.
A sleepy President Warborn stated that he would retaliate by proclaiming Freedom Day on October 31st, and, Bab, you have a comment on that, I believe.
Thank you, Chick. Coffee?
Oh, thank you.
In the wake-up of the storm, the president's main concern appears to be for his electoral body. Now, his four-point plan would announce the suspending of all laws on October 31st in the form of Freedom Day, the uplifting of a spiritual ban on foreign tobacco products, relief for the survivors provided by the British government, and relieve the president of a nasty responsibility.
A wise move on his part, I think, Bab.
I'm sure there's going to be big trouble when the people out west find out what's happening on our eastern seaboard, Chick.
You know, that's very true. In fact, we've been getting calls in here at our DOA studio ever since we first made that announcement.
And that was only about 10 seconds ago, so you can see this is really going to cause a stir.
Yeah, I think it just goes to show, Babel, what can happen when nationalism gets carried away with itself.
Amen to that.
We feel pretty strongly about that here at DOA, and we'll be having more news items in that vein later on. But now, in this afternoon's lucky number one spot, here's this morning's first commercial break-in. Roll tape 1.
Bonnie?
Yeah, yes?
Bonnie, ever since you've been eating those crackers, well, we haven't been able to get a word out of you. Would you like a drink of water?
Oh, yes, and I'm gonna go get one right now, so I'll see you later, boy.